Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete transaction history on Moniepoint app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to your Moniepoint app and then log into your account. Now after logging in, if you tap on this history now, you will be able to see our past transaction history. Here, you will find these two options at the top right. Either you can download your history, or in other option, you can filter which specific date history you want to see. But there's no option to delete your transaction history. Many financial platforms don't allow their users to delete their transaction due to their privacy policy. So the only thing I can suggest to you is to come over to your home page. Here, tap on your profile at the top right, which is basically profile and support. Once you're on this page, you see their WhatsApp, their live chats, and also that email address. Using any of these four methods, just need to contact them, explain to them that you want to delete your transaction. They will take action to your request if you have a valid reason. This is the only way to delete your transaction history, otherwise you cannot do this. So that's basically how you can delete transaction history on Moniepoint app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!